tunataka wazazi wasibebe mzigo kubwa.
Jatend migao mar somo Ezekiel Machogu owacho ni sirkal oketo thenge omenda maromo bilion 1 mibiro tiyo godo e medo skunde e kaunti ma Nairobi. Machogu owacho ni omenda go ibiro pogi ne kuonde chung' od buche 17 mondo mi oger godo skunde kaka yo mar neno ni jopuonjre oyudo somo makare. Nolose nyasi moro e kar chung' od bura ma Kasarani kama jaod bura ma kanyo Ronald Karauri noyango ni kar chung' od bura ne ni mana kod sikunde 15 mag primar ma kata obed ni kwan oganda medo idho malo to ok nyal romo.
Kasarani has 30 public schools, Bwana CS. 30. 15 primary, 15 secondary. You would think if we have only 30 schools, those schools must look very developed and very amazing. Bwana CS, you'll be shocked when you walk into our schools because we have a very, very long way to go.
Actually, Nairobi, 29%, only 29% are the ones that we can be able to accommodate in our public, primary and secondary schools, while 69% of others are in private schools because they cannot be able to get space in our public schools. And for that reason, this particular financial year, 2023-2024, we were given 1 billion, which we have given 58 million per constituency in our 17 constituencies in Nairobi, in order for you young ones to be able to find space in our primary and secondary schools.